Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm just showing you my eyebrow routine. I will be taking the Anastasia Beverly Dip Pomade in the color chocolate. I'm just taking this NYX spoolie from my old eyebrow pencil and just brushing my eyebrows hairs up. I start from the bottom. I just draw a line at the bottom and just work my way down from the tail. In this clip I just messed up, but yeah, I just start from the bottom and just work my way down to the tail. In this next clip, as you see, I'm just filling in my eyebrow. And next, I'm just taking the spoolie again just to get rid of them harsh lines that I had in the beginning. Now I'm just taking my Nars concealer in the color caramel and just to carve out my eyebrows so I can get a clean look. And now I'm finna blend out that concealer because who finna have noticeable concealer lines under their eyebrow in 2018? Not me, so make sure you blend out your concealer. And now I'm just taking my foundation shade just to carve out at the top of my eyebrow because I do not want to take my highlighter shade that I use at the bottom because I do not want that halo brow effect. Now I'm taking the NYX eyebrow gel in the color Espresso just to set my eyebrow hairs in place. I'm doing the same thing to my other eyebrow, but I sped up this process so this video wouldn't be so long. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like my eyebrow routine. Like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next on this channel. Bye guys.